A marital settlement agreement, also called a divorce settlement agreement, is a negotiated agreement between divorcing spouses that outlines the division of their assets, custody of their children, and any support obligations. This agreement is crafted by the spouses themselves, possibly with the help of legal counsel, and is tailored to fit their unique circumstances, which can differ significantly from standardized court decisions. Creating a marital settlement agreement allows both parties to retain control over outcomes that will affect their lives far more intimately and directly than a judge can account for. They can be crafted to meet the specific needs and priorities of both parties and their children, rather than relying on more generalized legal standards. This approach often results in more satisfactory outcomes for both parties and can reduce the emotional and financial costs associated with prolonged legal battles. Also, cooperative settlement processes can provide a foundation for a more amicable post-divorce relationship, which is particularly beneficial when children are involved. It is generally advisable to begin discussions about financial settlements as soon as both parties have exchanged their preliminary declarations of disclosure, which could be as soon as the divorce case opens. For other issues such as support, the timing can depend on various personal factors, including changes in living arrangements and financial status. A judge can facilitate the settlement process through what is known as a settlement conference. During these conferences, the judge works with both parties, helping them understand the legal context of their disputes and encouraging compromise where possible. When you finally come to an agreement, a final marital settlement agreement is drafted into a stipulated judgment, which includes all agreed-upon terms relating to child custody, visitation schedules, child support specifics, spousal support details, property division, debt responsibility, attorney fees, and marital status. Even if both parties fully agree on the terms of their divorce settlement agreement, it is mandatory for the court to approve the agreement. This judicial oversight ensures that the settlement is in compliance with California law and aligns with public policy, particularly in protecting the rights and welfare of any children involved. Once your divorce has been finalized, the judge will include the terms of your agreement in the final divorce decree. Each county may have different requirements for documenting these terms, typically using Form FL 180. This agreement should clearly outline all provisions to prevent future disputes and ensure that all financial obligations are met, protecting both parties' credit and legal standings. Divorce settlement agreements are not just about ending a marriage. They're about setting a foundation for future interactions, especially when children and mutual financial interests are involved. It's highly recommended that you obtain legal representation if you decide to settle your case. If you need a skilled attorney in Los Angeles or Orange County, contact Jafari Law and Mediation Office today to consult with an experienced divorce attorney who can help streamline your case and safeguard your interests every step of the way.